Global Excel Travel Insurance Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. If you'd like to compare plans, review coverage options, or get a quote, you'll find links to the available Global Excel Travel Insurance products in the description below. Global Excel Travel Insurance is not a direct consumer-facing insurance brand in the traditional sense, but rather a global assistance and claims management provider that works behind the scenes with insurers, employers, and travel insurance programs to deliver emergency support and claims administration services. It is widely used in group insurance plans, corporate travel insurance, expatriate coverage, and international health insurance programs, making it especially relevant for business travelers, employees of multinational companies, and policyholders covered through partner insurers. The core strength of Global Excel lies in its international emergency assistance network, which provides 24/7 support for medical emergencies, including hospital coordination, case management, medical evacuation arrangements, and communication with healthcare providers around the world. Depending on the underlying insurance policy it supports, coverage can include emergency hospitalization, physician services, surgery, diagnostic testing, prescription medications, and medically necessary transportation or repatriation. Another major feature is its claims management system, which helps streamline the process of submitting and processing claims through centralized global support teams, often improving coordination between travelers, insurers, and medical providers. This makes it particularly valuable in complex international cases where multiple healthcare systems are involved. However, it is important to understand that Global Excel itself is not the insurer, meaning actual coverage terms, exclusions, and policy benefits depend entirely on the insurance provider or employer plan it supports. This can sometimes create confusion for policyholders who assume Global Excel defines coverage rules, when in reality it only administers and supports them. Because of this structure, the quality of coverage, pricing, and eligibility requirements will vary significantly depending on the specific insurance program. Overall, Global Excel Travel Insurance services are best understood as a high-level global assistance and claims management network rather than a standalone insurance product. For travelers covered under partner plans, it adds significant value through its worldwide emergency support, coordinated medical assistance, and streamlined claims handling, making it an important behind-the-scenes component of many international travel insurance systems focused on reliability and global reach.